There's a little bird sitting by the window, watching blue skies drifting by. She's forgotten what the wind feels like, forgotten she was born to fly. The cage has been there for so many years, it feels more like a home. She stopped dreaming of the open air and learned to call those bars her own. Funny how a heart can start believing a prison is the safest place to be. She was a bird born to fly, but forgot the sky was hers. She traded freedom for familiar walls, one little fear at a time. Every lie became another bar, every wound another chain, till she couldn't tell the difference between protection and pain. She was a bird born to fly, who forgot she had wings. Some of those bars weren't built by her, they were waiting when she came. Old family stories, silent expectations, fear passed down with her name. Stay where it's safe, don't dream too high, don't let your heart believe. So she folded up her wings and forgot what they were made to be. She was a bird born to fly, but forgot the sky was hers. Every broken promise, every borrowed lie kept telling her not to try. She thought the cage was keeping her alive, never knowing it was stealing time. She was a bird who forgot she had wings. The cage never stole her wings, fear just convinced her she didn't, and the door was never locked. She just stopped looking beyond the bars. Then one quiet whisper rose above the silence: you were never created for this. She's still a bird born to fly, and the sky still knows her name. The wind hasn't forgotten her, even though she lost her way. Her wings were never broken, just folded by the year, just folded by the years. Now every beat is stronger than all her borrowed fears. It was only where she waited. If you see a bird sitting quietly behind old bars, don't ask why she doesn't fly. Ask who convinced her she couldn't. Because the saddest thing was never the cage, it was forgetting the sky.